Thought I'd show you a couple things around the Dalles. Don't forget the. When I got back to my motel after walking around doing a little night photography, I spied these two motorcycles, a couple of guys from Canada, and in the morning they were fully packed and ready to go. So I met the two guys from Canada in the morning. They asked me for a little bit of route advice as they're making their way back north from a few days' ride down to this area. I filled them in on the Klickitat Appleton Road, which is fantastic, and also told them about Wind River as well before sending them on their way. It took off a couple minutes before me. Hopefully they'll head up to Klickitat, and it's just too good to pass up. My plan today is to do a couple of extra extended loops and just head back home. That's a pretty cool looking little building. So heading back home, first thing we have to do is take this exit 87, which doesn't say anything about heading into Washington. It tells you a bunch of other places you can go, but you have to just know that it heads over the bridge into Washington. I mean, Washington's right there. Why don't they put it on the sign? Wow, this pavement is horrible. They just added extra pavement where the car tires are, and it just creates a nice zigzag as you move in and out over it. This action camera won't do it justice, but that really is quite pretty amazing. Welcome back to Washington.
On the cart already? Yeah, cold. It's from Lyle, then up to Klickitat.
So they asked if they could ride along with me, and I said sure. Play a little tour guide, not a problem. So the plan is I'm going to take them to Lyle, and then, hang on. Such a child. So I'm going to take them to Lyle, and then take them up Klickitat, turn them there, and then I will send them on their way while I do a bigger loop. So we've left Highway 14 onto Highway 142, taking it north, and for a while we cruise along the Klickitat River. It's just beautiful, isn't it? From here you can go up Klickitat Appleton, or you can head all the way up to Goldendale and do a bigger loop that way. So the plan is I'm going to take them up Klickitat Appleton to the viewpoint, and then I will send them on their way to continue that loop while I head up to Goldendale and do the bigger loop up above the valley. Very weird seeing bikes in my mirrors. I'm normally out here on my own. Okay, and here we are. This is the viewpoint. If you watched yesterday's video, you'll have seen the view because I came down the other direction from up above to this area. But so I'm here to show them the viewpoint.
Just starting. Oh, really? Yeah. I hope our gas is good, eh?
So here I am describing the road for them so they understand where they need to go, what turns they need to be looking out for. There's only a couple, but you really want to make sure you get it right so you can do the best part.
Hey, if you don't mind, I'll switch up my plans a little bit. I'm going to continue on with you guys. Okay, yeah. I'll take you down here and I'll keep it.
Yeah, I don't get sick of looking at that either. Alright, it's time to get going. Okay, plans have changed. After chatting with them, I decided that I'd ride along with them and take them to Washougal and play tour guide. And that way they can just relax, enjoy the road, knowing that I know where we're going. And it'll be fun for me riding with some new folks. I don't really ride with people all that often, and just give me an excuse to come back in this area to do the loop I was planning on doing another time. Yesterday I mentioned liking coming down canyon more than going up. Well, this next section is why. Just look at that view. Not only do you get to see the mountain in the distance, the road just opens up in front of you. Oh, fantastic. Woo! Oh yeah, I enjoyed that.
I love that road. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. That was good. I love leaving the RFC back in the dust. Not bad. Yeah, I have to slow down the
That is a lot of boats. Must be the opening day of fishing season or something. Yeah, not sick of it. Nope. Get some gas here. All right. Okay, so they're on a time schedule. Let's see, how long is it to Washougal? So they have a passing lane on a curve. What is this, one of those Darwin tests? Oh, so slow. So beautiful. So slow. So beautiful. So slow. So beautiful. Hey, got it. Beautiful. Okay, so in Washougal, they got specific directions to the friend they're meeting. So they have to go back about half a mile the other way. I am going to hit 14. Turn right and continue on my way. See you later, guys. Nice meeting you. Good riding. If you guys are watching this video, thanks for riding along with me. And next time you come down to this part, give me a jingle. I can help you out with route planning, or maybe I can go riding with you. After you, big guy. So I'm heading up 205 to I-5, and I will take that up probably to Kalama. I might hop off at Woodland and do Green Mountain Road again. So here we are entering Kalama, and I will give you a quick little, well, super truncated tour. I am also going to stop, pull out my laptop, and check in with work. make sure I'm taking care of any customer needs that are out there. That's how I pay for this. So this is the downtown area. You know, it's kept kind of cute, kind of small, nice. I actually haven't spent much time here. It's very cool. Quick turnaround. I think I found a really good place to stop. Well, at least a place to stop. I don't know how good it'll be. Right up here, the library with a bench and a little bit of shade. So hopefully my laptop won't be completely impossible to read. That'll work. Okay, I took care of a couple customers. The laptop was mostly impossible to read, and as the sun shifted, it just got harder and harder. But I persevered, and I have triumphed. So, I'm just going to hit I-5 and head north from here and head home. So, that's sort of the end of anything really awesome. Thanks for watching this video and coming along for this 2-day ride. I'm hoping for some more good weather as we head into summer. So more rides shall be forthwith? Forthwith? Who knows. Anyway. Thanks so much for coming along with me. Please be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get notified when new videos are put up. And if you'd like to support BMR TV with throwing a couple of bucks my way, links are in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.